Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze weekly goal analysis for your next week goal trade. So last week my goal analysis video I was told to prices continue to upside in 1980 my first target, then 2000 is my second target. So if you didn't watch my video, go through there, watch last video. Prices continue to the upside as my analysis. So accurate goal analysis with signals. My telegram link is below. You can join with that, get more profit with the gold trading. So you can see that this trend line prices hold with this trend line also not clear breakout to the below size. So technically this has so many chances to buy gold in this point in white color circle. I've already marked the point 1940 1950 level is already is continue to the upside price goal. So my targeted go price is going to the upside goal, buy position is my target. So let's see the economic data what is going on. So last week that was more volatile economic events was released, was held. That's the more volatile event is Fed's interest rate. So 13th July that was released Fed CPI data dropped to the huge drop to 4% to 4.9% to 4%. That's the more huge drop CPI data inflation report in USA. So Fed interest rate was held in 5.25. That's the last week more economic volatile event. So Fed American Central Bank is now hold the interest rate in 5.25. So Forex Live mentioned why the market doesn't care about the Fed's hawkish tone. So why the market doesn't care about the more hawkish Fed? So after FOMC meetings, the Powell, the Fed chairman, is more hawkish tone with he told that the more interest rate hikes coming. That the hawkish tone, but market doesn't react. That's a Forex Live mention. So let's see the technically analysis for your next week goal trading. You can see that this level I am in 4-hour chart goal 1940 level is the more liquidity area. Last week price was collected that liquidity. You can see the price drop to the below side and collect the below side liquidity in 1940 area several times. Price test that area. You can see that the circle line, white color line I have marked, that price collected to the below side liquidity area. So more gold traders are sell this area and lost the trade. So that's the price collect to the liquidity area below side, and next week I am forecasting more liquidity area in the upside. This is 1965 level. It has more liquidity area. It's the strong resistance. Simply technical analysis. This is the strong resistance first time, and second and the third more retesting area in 1965 price is more strong resistance area that has more liquidity. So I am expecting forecasting next week price clear the upside liquidity and going to the upside. Then second strong resistance area is 1980 level. I marked the yellow color line. You can see 1980 level, it has more liquidity area. So I am forecasting next week clear the upside liquidity. That is first time, second and third tested in 1980 area. It has a more liquidity, not cleared liquidity in upside. So price cleared the liquidity in next week upside. So I am forecasting price go to the upside 1980 my first target in next week, and then 2000 above is the next target. So you have a buy opportunity and going to upside and retest and again going to the upside to collect the liquidity. So Fed American Central Bank in interest rate peak situation in this occasion. So gold will be demand next week. I am hoping so price continue to the upside. So you have a buy opportunity in 1965 and 1980 also you have a buy opportunity. So my first target is 1980 and then 2000 levels. So that is my next week goal forecasting analyzing. So there are buy chances, buy opportunity next week goal. So get the money management will get the trade with the smaller time frame confirmations. So you can join with accurate goal signals analysis to my telegram link is below. Join with it. So thank you very much.